What's up guys, Aaron Productions here, and today we're going to be doing a review of the LED exceder. Now as you can see here, I have the white version. This is a horn strobe. As you can see the horn. And then here is your strobe, very interesting design. Has little things popping out to distribute the light. Here you have your candela window, and then your little Wheelock logo. Of course, the famous fire alarm device, do not paint. Okay, so to open up this alarm, all you have to do is stick your screwdriver in here, and then that will push back on this piece right here, and then that will release this clip. Sorry, I do not have my tripod today, so I am unable to show you guys because I need two hands, but I'll take the cover. So now that I got the cover off, there you can see there's it inside. And then here's your horn. Since it is very loud, I do have tape on it. Here's where your candela would be displayed, and this is where you select your tones, but you do select them from the back. You have a selection of continuous or code 3 high or low volume, and then you have candela settings from 15 to 95 candela with 30 and 75 in between. You just use these little levers right here to move them up and down. So there is some information that all of these Wheelock devices have. As you can see, this is meant for 4x4 boxes. Here you can see the horn and your terminals. And there is the model number. This is syncable with regular Wheelock sync. Now I'm going to snap the cover back on. Okay, so some of you guys may be thinking, wow, this thing is huge. Ceiling mount devices are always huge, but don't judge a book by its cover, because as you can see, this just has a very low clearance with the small strobe. So if you guys are worried about low profile, this might not be the best option for you, or it may be a good option. Still does have the LED, which will last a lot longer than a xenon strobe. If it was to get damaged, I believe it wouldn't harm it. But if you guys are worried about profile, I measured this before, even though this does not reach the 0 inch. It is about 2 inches, usually. Just under 2 inches with the strobe sticking out. And then let's take something small like the spectral or classic horn strobe ceiling mount. Now this is obviously not as big as the advance, but I'm not going to measure this back part because it is internal, but I already measured this too. If I measure this, not counting the back part, I pre-measured this without the back part, but holding it the wrong way. This is just about 2.5 inches. That's what I measured, maybe 3, not counting this back part. So in reality, even though this is a big device, so these xenon strobe devices are bigger. Okay, for this test I chose my FCI MS2 because this is a old pull station that's new to me. And this is a old alarm that's made new, so of these MS2s. So you'll be seeing that in the Thanksgiving special, which will be coming up soon. But yeah, guys, that's going to conclude my review of the Wheelock LED exceder ceiling mount. So that's going to be it for this video, guys.